Hello students, today we will discuss this topic, a pair of linear equation in two variables. So before going further, first of all we have to understand what is the meaning of a pair of linear equation in two variables. As we know that linear means a polynomial with degree 1, but because it is linear equation in two variables, so we have to assume that there are two variables. So let us represent the two variable by x and y, and a and b are constant. So this type of equation is known as linear equation in two variable. Because it is given that it is equation, so this side should be balanced to some constant on the other side. So such type of equation is known as linear, because we have two variables with power 1. So linear equation in two variable with balance equation, so that's what is equation. So such type of equation is known as linear equation in two variable. Now this topic has name a pair of linear equation in two variable, means in this topic we have two such equations with different constants. So let us say ax plus by equal to c, one of the equation, and px plus qy is equal to r. This is the another pair equation, another equation, right? Now we have to solve this system so that we can find out the common value of x and y which satisfy both these equations. So whenever a question comes in this form that solve this system equation, so that means we have to find out the common solution which satisfy both these two equations, right? So for extra knowledge, we should know that the linear equation graph come out to be a straight line, as this topic was in class 9th also, that whenever we plot a linear equation on the graph paper, we see that the graph appears to be a straight line. So if we have to solve this kind of equation, we observe that when we plot the two equations on the graph paper, the two lines intersect each other, and we have to find out their common point which satisfy both the equation. So our aim is to find out this common solution which satisfy these two equations, right? So such type of equation is known as a unique solution, right? Because a particular value satisfies both the equations. So there are four different methods for solving this. First is graphical method, which I will explain in detail after completing this topic. Graphical method, right? One by one we will take this method, graphical method. Second is elimination by substitution, means we will substitute one of the variable from this equation into this, and we will eliminate one of the variables. So next topic is elimination by substitution. Second is elimination by equating the coefficient. And the third topic is, fourth is cross multiplication. So one by one we will take up this topic and explain in detail.